Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Hey. No, don't get me. No. No. Don't get me. Baby chicks. Now you have to be nice to the baby chicks. Okay, if you're not nice to the baby chicks, become hurt. Alright, hold on, let me get them all. Hello, guys. Look, they're following me. They're following me. Okay, let's get the eggs. Out of the coop, let me get both sides. 17 eggs on the first side. Let's get the other side. 12 on this side. Let's get the button quill eggs. Girls, how the chicks doing? Oh, let's see them. They're doing good. Let's get the button quill eggs. Ooh. Oh, never mind, a lot. Let me grab the 14 eggs with the button quill. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see y'all.